Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we are in a Porsche 987, so it's actually a Porsche Cayman, but the video I'm going to show you is exactly the same for the Cayman and the Boxster 987. In fact, it will generally cover a lot of Porsches, to be honest with you. You can see in this cockpit here on the dashboards here, we've got the ABS failure on the message center here, flashing to the PSM failure. Now above this we've also got the ABS warning light, the traction control warning light. Don't worry about that one for now, that's just because we've got the handbrake on. So we obviously we need to diagnose what the fault is, and to do that we're going to show you the iCarSoft POR version 2.0 kit. It's a fantastic little kit it covers a wide range of Porsches, anything from, I would say, probably the 986 and 996 era onwards. So you're probably looking at about 1998 onwards. So we're going to click into diagnostics and we're going to select our vehicle, which will allow us to find out where the problem is in this vehicle. So we're going to scroll down to Cayman. One thing to note is you can actually turn off the beeping noises if you don't like the beeping noises. One thing I forgot to say before that as well is the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit directly in the description below this video and in the comments box below. So we're going to need to click onto PSM because that is the ABS or Porsche Stability Management System in all Porsches. So click OK to that or enter. And we'll go to read DTCs. You'll see the lights are flashing because the ABS ECU knows that we're interrogating this system, so we're gaining access to it, which is good news. We need to read DTCs, and it's giving us a fault code of 4200, and it's telling us front right wheel speed sensor line. It basically means there's a problem with the front right ABS sensor. So in actual fact, we already knew this was a problem. We'd already diagnosed the fault before we started the video. What we've done is we've already replaced the ABS sensor. So we've changed the ABS sensor over, put a new one in, but obviously the codes are still here, the warning lights are still here. So what we need to do is simply go on to, assuming you're doing this in the real world, you'd diagnose the fault, you'd change over the sensor, then you'd come back into the vehicle, and then you'd click on to clear DTCs, which is what we're going to do now. So we'll click on to clear DTCs, F2 to OK, erase operation done. The warning lights are still there, but as we ease out of the ABS system or the PSM system, these lights will stop and the messages will disappear. So keep an eye on that while I'm doing this. In fact, there we go. The only message we've got now is the ABS, the seatbelt. I just click that off. There we go. Normal messages and no warning lights on the screen here. And it's all thanks to the iCarSoft POR version 2.0 kit. It is available, as I say. It covers a lot of Porsche. It also covers different systems like airbags, transmission, engine, parking sensors, you name it. It will do all of that. It'll do your oil service resets, DPF if you've got a DPF vehicle. And a lot of other bits and bobs that it will cover within your vehicle. So as I say, it's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link in the video, in the description below this video and in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.